Hey guys, this is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So I've been working as a professional trader for the past 6 years in Hong Kong, and right now guys I'm doing YouTube videos because I want to pass the knowledge. I want to show you guys what kind of tools and techniques pro traders are actually using and how to use them. So if you want to know about all this stuff and basically how to make money on the markets, you are in the right place. So today I want to make an update on AMC. Let's get into it. Right guys, so let's have a look at the chart. So as you can see, I have a lot of different trend lines. So I'm going to explain to you guys what trend lines they are and how to use them. So let's start with the lowest one. So basically I check the trend, all right? So the trend is bearish, definitely. And you have here a bearish trend and here an even more bearish trend. So you make for each trend that you can identify a trend line by connecting the two recent highs, or more if you have. So here I have this one, and this was giving me here guys, and I was doing videos on this in the past month, and I was telling you guys buy it, buy it, buy it. 5 is a very nice level because it was the retest of the breakout we had here. So this is the first breakout, then we retest and we are going higher. So now the next resistance which just became support guys is the one that is given me by the next trend line that is here. Guys, once again, if you want to do it yourself, don't forget to be on the log scale. Otherwise you're gonna have something that is not working. Your levels are going to be wrong, so careful. Log scale if for those kind of very volatile stocks. So here then I drew this trend line, and once again you can see here that we had the breakout but it didn't hold. So that's why it's good to trade with a stop loss. I know you guys don't like it, but this is how pro traders are actually working. You buy, so here for example you can buy it here at 10, 11, even whatever. Everything that is above 10 is good to buy. If it opens below guys, don't buy it. So it's not always buy low and sell high. Sometimes it's buy high and sell higher. All right, here if I see an open at 9, I won't be a buyer, but I'm pretty convinced, because I think that everything is just going higher, that we're gonna have a nice open level or above this trend line, which is gonna be not the confirmation yet. This is not confirmed, guys. This breakout is happening but didn't happen yet. We need to have 2 consecutive candles above this level. So I'm not sure when I'm gonna publish this video guys, but I'm doing it on March 10, and on March 10 guys, the breakout has not happened yet. So whatever, if this breakout confirms, you can buy it here guys, and then try to go to the next resistance level. What else can we say here? So let's quickly have a look at the targets. So to find my targets guys, once I have a second wave that is starting, so this is a first wave, all right, this is a second wave, and this is a third wave. So sorry, third wave, second wave is actually corrective. 1, 2, 3. So the third wave is happening. So the question is, where are we heading? What is a good level to sell? I know you guys don't like to sell. I know you like to hold because you like the stock. But trust me that if you want to make money, you can sell and buy again later. So I'm here to tell you how I would trade this. So you measure the first wave, easy, and you apply the move up to the bottom of the second or third wave, the same bottom, 2, 3, all right? So here, and then you go from 1 fib extension ratio to the next one. So 1.618 is the golden number. It's actually a level that we very often see playing, like acting as support or resistance. So in a case of a move up, it's going to act as resistance here. So the 1.618, 35 is a very nice level, guys. The next one would be 54. So let's see what happens here. But you can try to play something like this. Here, I think, 20 is also a resistance level. So you can see that it's funny guys to see that this 20 and 35 are actually the levels that I had here. 20 here is the maximum that we had here, and that was the max that we had here, and 35 is just the all-time high. So it's funny guys to see that by measuring this wave and applying it here, the ratios of fibs are giving me those levels that were printed a long time ago. Think about it guys. This is technical analysis, and this is something I see all the time guys, this kind of coincidence, feel it, like think the way you want. Why this is happening, I don't know, but I know this is happening. It's a fact and I just use it. So then I expect something like this, maybe here a bit of resistance, but guys, let's be honest, this one is not going to be strong. All right, the 78.6 is not strong at all, so it's not going to last. We're going to destroy it. If we broke 10 on the upside, we're going to destroy the 20 level, trust me. And the short interest, I'm going to come back to this very soon, is high, so short squeeze might happen. And then we can have something like this, and then bam. And then this one is strong, all right? This one is probably gonna give us some correction, and then maybe something like this. So what I'm saying is that taking profits as 20 is, to me, not very ballsy. It's not stupid. If you buy at 10, you sell at 20, you make 100%. But it's not very ballsy, and this is not what I would do, you know? You need to push your winners to make money. This is how we actually do. We push our winners. So here I won't take profits too early. I would take profits at 35, and then I would reload around maybe, I don't know, then I'm going to check on the shorter time frame what is happening, but I'm going to reload lower. Very quickly, let's check the short interest. So once again, guys, for those who are watching my video, I always say the same thing, but for the new ones, it's interesting to know that I go on Market Watch and Market Beat, and that I cross-check this data with Bloomberg, because I'm a professional and I have access to Bloomberg. 15% of short interest here, updated on 26th of February, and on Market Watch, Market Beat, AMC. If I see the same value, I know it's correct. I mean, most likely. AMC, short interest. Once again, guys, for those who think that this data is intentionally wrong, that's not true. 22%. All right. So we have here a slightly a small difference, but it's not substantial. The short interest is around 20%. So it's less than the other stocks that I did as well. SKT, RKT, you know, they have 35-40% of short interest. So AMC is not that shorted because hedge funds are probably scared. So I don't think we're going to have crazy moves up. I mean, it can be crazy, but it's not going to be like 1 or 2 days, but it can be full months of +5, you know, something like this. But I think it's going to be natural buyers that are going to buy this, but it doesn't change my conclusion that I'm very bullish on this. But I expect to see what is happening around the 10 level before being more confident in this coming rally. So guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click the sub, like and bell button so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new, and stay close to shore. I see you guys.